sitting under a tree, I started to think why we should help our trees and not deforest them. Because our well-being depends on them. And thanks to those and other things, energy we take. For example, the sun gives us solar energy. And the coal, when it burns, it gives us too. They are home to some animals, like insects or mammals. They help everyone the same. Also, some it feeds, for its leaves, fruits, and branches are a delicacy. That's why we should take care of our friends. Because without their existence, it wouldn't be the same. And thanks to those thoughts, I'm happy I sat there under a tree.